Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set wallet and Apple Pay default payment card on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down. Then tap on wallet and Apple Pay. Next, we go down and tap on default card. In here, select a card that you want to set as the default payment card. Now, because in here I only have one card, so I'm not able to choose a different card. But if you have multiple cards added to your wallet, you can then choose a default card. And after that, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.